Kakalabas na namin ng The Running Man from Paramount Pictures, starring
of course, the one and only Glenn Powell.
AKA
Glenn Powell.
You can have to watch it kung bakit malaman kung bakit gano'n. Pero of course, this is an Edgar Wright joint. Yes. Kaya for those who are fans of the Cornetto trilogy, Baby Driver, I mean even kahit yung Last Night in Soho or yung mga ganon, you are going to love this triumphant return of the master himself.
Yes.
Diyos ko Mariosep. Oh my God, ano yung...
Grabe yung fun, grabe yung excitement, grabe yung energy, talagang sustained siya all throughout the movie. And just like any other Edgar Wright movie, sobrang niyang rhythmic and fast-paced, pero hindi to the point na nakakapagod siyang panoorin.
Hindi, yun yung talaga yung hallmark ng isang Edgar Wright film. Ganda na sinabi mo, rhythmic yung magiging fast-paced niya. Merong rhyme, merong reason yung lahat ng mga cuts, ng mga actions on screen, walang aksidente. It's all in service of this fantastic adventure. It's a thrill ride talaga. Sobrang, nanginig pa rin ako sobrang...
Thrill ride is the right description to this.
Talaga. And of course, I mean, we have to talk about, finally, ito sa akin, the coming out party into absolute blockbuster movie star status ni Glenn Powell. Oo
nga, he's giving Tom Cruise energy. Parang Ethan Hunt.
Grabe.
If ito na yung audition niya to be the successor or the heir apparent sa Mission Impossible franchise, ito na yun. True. Parang perfect casting.
That is true. I mean, my God, Glenn Powell is a true movie star. And if you see this, you're gonna know why. And you're going to want to watch every single film he makes from this talaga.
Yeah. We loved him in Anyone But You. We loved him in Hitman. And we also loved him in Chad Powers.
Yes. So, kung hindi nyo pa nakikita, sobrang going ng aming dito sa The Running Man. Comes out November 12 in cinemas everywhere. Watch it in IMAX. Talaga. It's the best. Talaga.
Now stop filming us.
Stop filming. Okay. So, for this Cinegeek Walk and Talk, I'm Roy.
And
see you next one.